of foliage girds our garden round, but not a sea of dull unvaried green. Sharp contrasts of all colors here are seen. The light green graceful tamarinds abound. Amid the mango clumps of green profound, and palms arise like pillars gray between, and o'er the quiet pools and sea-moles lean, red, red and startling like a trumpet sound. But nothing can be lovelier than the ranges of bamboos to the eastward, when the moon looks through their gaps and the white lotus changes into a cup of silver. One might swoon, drunken with beauty then, or gaze and gaze on a primeval Eden in a maze.